Hello everyone, today I will tell you how to make 50,000 a month with high-ticket affiliate marketing, step by step. What if I told you that you can make 50,000 pesetas per month just by promoting other people's products, without creating your own, without customer support, and without even dealing with shipping? Sounds unreal? Well, this is exactly how thousands of people are making life-changing income with high-ticket affiliate marketing. And today I'll show you how you can do it too. What is high-ticket affiliate marketing? Most people struggle in affiliate marketing because they promote low-ticket products that pay $520 per sale. But what if you could make $500 and $1,000 or even $5,000 per sale? High-ticket affiliate marketing is about promoting premium products that offer big commissions, so you make more money with fewer sales. Step-by-step guide to making $50,000 a month. Step 1. Choose a high-ticket niche. Not all products pay high commissions. You need to focus on profitable industries. Best niches for high-ticket affiliate marketing: online courses coaching, earn $500 to $2,000 per sale; SaaS, software as a service, get monthly recurring commissions; luxury products, watches, high-end gadgets; real estate leads, health, wellness, premium fitness programs, supplements, finance investing, stock trading, crypto programs, real estate education. Step 2. Find high-ticket affiliate programs. You can't make big commissions without the right affiliate programs. Here are some of the best. Best high-ticket affiliate programs: ClickFunnels, $118, $188 per sale; Shopify, $150, $2,000 per referral; Bluehost, hosting, $65, $130 per sign-up; Teachable, riscas bodwe in Momademar Ikria; Kajabi, online courses, $100+ per sale; SEMrush, SEO software, $200 per new user; Amazon luxury products, up to 10% commission on high-ticket items. Join these programs, get your unique affiliate links, and start promoting.
Step 3. Build a simple funnel to collect leads.
Instead of just posting links randomly, you need a system to convert traffic into sales. Here's the best strategy. Create a simple landing page. Use ClickFunnels, Systeme.io, or WordPress. Offer a free lead magnet, a free ebook, guide, or video to collect emails. Use email marketing. Follow up with potential buyers and close sales. This helps you build a long-term business instead of relying on one-time clicks. Step 4. Drive traffic to your offers. Free paid methods. The more people see your affiliate link, the more money you make. Here's how to drive massive traffic. Best free traffic sources: 1. YouTube. Create videos reviewing high-ticket products. 2. TikTok, Instagram Reels. Post short, engaging clips. 3. Blogging. Write in-depth guides with affiliate links. 4. Facebook groups, forums. Share your expertise links. 5. Pinterest. Drive traffic with eye-catching pins. Best paid traffic sources: 1. YouTube ads. Target people looking for solutions. 2. Facebook, Instagram ads. Run targeted campaigns. 3. Google ads. Rank high for affiliate keywords. 4. Solo ads. Rent other people's email lists. Use free traffic to build authority. Paid ads to scale fast. Step 5. Scale to 50,000 per month. Once you start making money, here's how to scale and grow. Automate with email sequences. Use AI-powered email tools. Outsource content creation. Hire writers, video editors, promote multiple high-ticket products. Diversify income sources. Invest in paid ads, funnels. Scale to 6 figures faster. With consistency, many affiliate marketers hit 10K, 20K, even 50K plus per month. Conclusion: why high-ticket affiliate marketing? No product creation, promote other people's premium products. No customer service, earn commissions without support headaches. High profit margins, make $500, $5,000 per sale, passive income potential. Earn recurring commissions. Start today, and in the next 6 to 12 months, you could be making life-changing income. Subscribe for more passive income strategies. Comment below, which affiliate program are you most excited about? The internet has created endless money-making opportunities, but only those who take action succeed. Will you be the next success story? Let's build your 50,000 month online business together. Thank you.